Where are you? I am at the beach. Where are you? I'm at the supermarket. Where are you? I'm at the library. Where are you? I'm at the hairdresser's. Where are you? I'm at the train station. Where are you? I'm at the airport. Where are you? I'm at an ice cream shop. Where are you? I'm at a restaurant. Where are you? I'm at the park. Where are you? I'm at the car park. Where are you? I'm at church. Where are you? I'm at the bakery. Where is the butcher? The butcher is at the butcher's. Where is the girl? The girl is at the playground. Where is the receptionist? The receptionist is at reception. Where is the student? The student is at his desk. Where is the businessman? The businessman is at his desk. Where is the teacher? The woman is at her desk. Where's the woman? The woman's at the post office. Where's the police officer? The police officer's at the front door. Where's the woman? The woman's at the spa. Where's the thief? The thief's at the hardware store. Where's the man? The man's at the furniture showroom. Where's the woman? The woman's at the delicatessens. Where's the pregnant woman? She's at the doctor's surgery. Where's the man? He's at the bookshop. Where's the man? He's at the petrol station. Where's the man? He's at the cash machine. Where's the man? He's at the window. Where's the businessman? He's at the office. Where's the man? He's at the top of the mountain. Where's the old woman? She's at the front door. Where's the bus? The bus is at the bus stop. Where's the train? It is at the end of the tunnel. Where's the dog? It's at the vet's getting her teeth cleaned. Where's the cat? It's at the table. Where's the train? It's at the train station. Where are the family? They are at the beach. Where are the men and the women? The men and the women are at the supermarket. Where are the family? The family are at the table. Where are the men? The men are at the bank. Where are the man and woman? The man and woman are at the pharmacy or chemist. Where are the people? The people are at a nightclub or discotheque. Where are the children? They are at the dinosaur museum. Where are the people? They are at the police station. Where are the people? They are at the theatre. Where are the doctors and nurses? They are at the hospital. Where are the couple? They are at a coffee shop. Where are the couple? They're at a restaurant. Where are the man and his dog? They're at the park. Where are the children? They're at high school. Where are the children? They're at primary school. Where are the students? They're at college or university. Where are the people? They're at the cinema. Where are the people? They're at the bus stop. Where are the bus and the cyclist? They're at the traffic lights.